My advice for someone who is just starting out in the adventure realm, and maybe they haven't been all that adventurous throughout their life, and now they're on vacation and they have opportunities to do some adventure activities. Well, I would suggest the very first one to start out with, if you're a newbie, is ziplining. Ziplining pretty much is something that you don't have to really participate in, other than they strap you in and you zoom down the steel cable. It's fun and it gives you a sense of accomplishment when you've done it. But you really don't have to work at it. Everything's kind of done for you. That's why I think it's a good first activity to do. After that might be whitewater river rafting. Again, you are participating. You do have a paddle. You're told what to do, when to paddle, when not to paddle, what to do. Because of the fact that inside the boat, you have a guide who's leading you down the river. So once again, you have that support of the guide behind you who's really steering the boat, and you're accompanying him as well as the other guests by helping out. That would be maybe the second thing that I would suggest as an activity. But the third could be rappelling. Now, rappelling is a little bit different. Once you're over the cliff, you're sort of on your own as far as what moves you make, how fast the descent is, where you're going to put your feet, things like that. However, you're not alone. First of all, you have good equipment. Second of all, your guide who's at the top, he or she is guiding you all the way down for the most part. And that is that they're giving you directions at the start when you're at the precipice, and they're also looking over the edge, and they're suggesting, like, put your foot here, go a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left. They're encouraging, good job, everything's going good. All right, now this is her very first time rappelling. So she's nervous. She's breathing heavy. Okay, now he's giving her directions, how to control it, how to release it so she goes down, how to stop it. He's taking off the safety harness. Now she's just to the rappel rope. Here she goes. Yep. Go, Nadia!
Para las piernas, para las piernas. Piernas abiertas.
The wetsuit protected her.
Si juntan las piernas, pierden el equilibrio.
Yeah! All right! Woohoo! Hey, hey! You do have the support, however, they're not down there next to you to hold you by the hand. You're the one that's doing it, and I think that's where there's a big leap in the activities between ziplining, rafting, and rappelling. It's because you did it. When you reach the bottom, the enthusiasm, the self-confidence just soars. You just rappelled all the way down that cliff, and that is a really, really